Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to record a video today because I have makeup on for the first time. Let's see if I can scoot these over. I'm actually in my car. I'm gonna do a late night ice cream. Yeah, we'll put that one on. Late night ice cream mukbang kind of / rant / talk. Turn my car off. Oh wait, the light's on. Can't have that on. We'll just stick like this because this is what it would be like if you were just chilling with me. So I'm not having the best night, but I don't know. We'll be fine. So this is a hot fudge sundae, and it's like 1:15 a.m. in the morning, and I can't believe McDonald's actually had a hot, like, their ice cream machine was working. Oh my god, it just got all over my pants. These aren't even pants, they're leggings. I'm so nervous out here this late at night, but hello. So good. So oh, I'm so nervous out here this late at night. There's just fudge on top. I'm trying to, like, eat more of the ice cream and not just the fudge. So good. So anyways, I'm so nervous right now. But yeah, so we'll put it on for a little bit. But I wanted to do a video because I haven't been wearing makeup in my videos. My whole thing I've been saying is I don't care what people think or will say about me, but, like, also I want to look cute too in some of the videos. That's too much light. Trying to show my look. My hair is really long too right now. It's like all the way down here. And I really like it lately because it makes me feel like just really pretty. Let me put my glasses back on. I can't see that well without my glasses. They're not cosmetic. So, I don't remember what I was saying. I hope everybody's doing okay. This Christmas, like, came really fast. This doesn't feel like Christmas. I've been going to the doctors a lot lately. So Maybe that's why. But, sorry, there looks like there's a light flashing on the screen. See if that helps it at all. Oh, it's something reflecting. Let me pull this down. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, so I've been going to the doctors a lot, and I think that I've just been really stressed. It's so hard with, like, and I'm not trying to, like, every video post about my chronic conditions and illnesses and everything, but I mean, let's be honest, it's like a really large part of my life right now. Sometimes I rewatch the videos, this is off topic, but and I'm just sitting there like messing with my hair the whole time. But it's just hard because when you have chronic pain, you don't know if, like, it's hard to find a balance of how much do I share with my friends, how much do I share with my family. So you don't want to, like, overshare and overburden people, but then you also don't want to suffer alone. Like, let's be real. And everyone always takes your experiences, well, a lot of people do, can't speak for everyone, but, and they think it's just negative, like, someone just being negative, but it's not. It's just what I'm going through. I don't know. I just wish Christmas would be over with, though. It's really stressful. We didn't really decorate this year. You wanna know why I'm randomly recording these YouTube videos? Unedited, unscripted. Just me ranting or sharing my experiences. Because, like I've said in a couple of the other videos, I just want to feel more freely about myself. I kind of feel like I've been locking myself away for a couple years now and have been in and out, mostly in, of depression. And I just want to, like, get myself out there and be real and honest with people. Also, what made me more apt to share my story and post videos of me just talking unedited, no, like, fancy anything, is I like watching people just live or people just talk. That's probably one of my favorite videos to just, like, binge. It's just people just talking, because then it makes you feel like you're sitting there in the car with them having the conversation. It's definitely one-sided because you can't tell me right now in this moment how you're doing, how your life is going. I can't believe I'll be 28 in a few months. It feels crazy. If I think back about, like, the teenager, like, young 20-year-old I was so different. Oh, it's starting to get cold. I'm, like, eating ice cream in 30-degree weather. And my car's off, so the heat's not going. But, when you're in your young 20s, you just want to know who you are, and you just want to feel stable. And I'm kind of still like that. I mean, I definitely don't feel stable. I think I have other things going on that makes it harder for me to feel stable. I think my biggest thing is a lot of times not feeling enough or feeling too much, which doesn't make sense. Oh God, there's security coming. I mean, they're far off. They're like not beside me, but I'm so worried they're gonna be like, ma'am, what are you doing? Sitting in a random shopping center parking lot at 1:30 in the morning eating ice cream. I'm like, sir, ma'am, whoever you are, I'm recording a video and I just want to chill. My escape is to like sit in my car in a random parking lot or the close. Look how long my hair is. I'm like getting so off subject. But wherever I can find a parking lot. I don't know. Adulthood is like really hard. And I know I'm barely in it. How do we like get over the feelings of our life just, we just work and work and work. And then maybe a week, a year, we get to go on vacation. How do we find enjoyment in the small moments in life if all we are is stressed? I think I just need to find coping mechanisms again. I have been in therapy, which is the only reason I'm being vulnerable and doing a YouTube channel or like anything. And therapy helps you, like, I have 2 therapists. My first one, let me eat this ice cream before it melts. Gross. Ugh. My first therapist, though, I really like her, but she only specializes in like anxiety, and like I kind of need someone more than just anxiety. Like, oh my God, I have high anxiety, but I need someone who also knows my chronic pain. Marital fertility issues. This security is scaring me, and I think it doesn't help that I'm just like looking over there. I just don't want to explain to a random stranger why I'm just sitting in a parking lot. What was I even saying? Oh, therapist. Oh my God. I keep just going back and forth. Anyways, and so I just like talk to her when I go and see her. She gives suggestions sometimes, and she's helped me feel like I can be more vulnerable. She made me realize that being strong is being vulnerable. If you just hold it in, then you're actually being weak. Because you're too scared to open up and tell people. That's what's weak. Being strong is being vulnerable and allowing other people or someone to help you and to listen. And that's been my whole thing lately. Being vulnerable. Excuse me. And then I have a second therapist who I've related with more. So she also has fibromyalgia, which helps because she fully understands. And she had fertility issues. She actually adopted in the last few years. Somebody's turning into... Oh my God, this scares me. What happens at 1:30 in the morning? people driving around parking in random spots. You're either eating ice cream in a car, recording a YouTube video, buying drugs, or prostituting. Oh my god, I'm getting so nervous. I don't know how long this video is going to last because I can't handle this. Eesh. That's another thing, like, my anxiety is so bad to where I always think that people are just going to do and be the worst. It's just so scary to me because I've lost 2 of my cousins who are really young. One died in a car accident and one died in a shooting accident. And it's just like, security guys getting closer. But it's just like I don't know if everyone, what is this? Maybe they're just the cleaners. Oh god. Y'all, coming up. Okay, we're good, I think. Anyways, what was that saying? Oh my god, now they're just going back and forth back here. This is a mess, these videos. Okay. So the second therapist, you know, she has fibromyalgia. Oh yeah, I told y'all that. And she had fertility issues. But she's canceled on me. We've had 4 scheduled appointments and she's canceled twice. And I need to be in therapy weekly. At least once a week. So, I think I'm going to go back to the original therapist. She doesn't know that I left her for another one. Because I wanted to see how the other one was going to work out. Tomorrow's work. But I was saying it's just hard in adulthood. You have, like, everything's just hard work. Just hard work. And it's not that I'm lazy, it's just, it just seems like it just is so hard. Because I'm married, and I've been married for going on 5 years. And it's hard. You know, I was a different person, and even though I've had fibromyalgia, I didn't have the pain in my hands. I didn't have the herniating disc until we were like a year into our relationship. I used to go over his house where he was staying and like clean for him, cook for him. And I was just this really good wifey person. And then I got in a wreck. And my pain has spread from just my arms and hands to my whole body. And it's hard letting it go that, like, I can't be that person. I think I have started to accept my limitations, but not fully to where I'm okay. With not comparing how I used to be. I feel like every time I just talk about my life, it's just so negative. I don't know. And then I work in a call center type setting, and it's okay. I like the pay and the benefits. The work is very stressful. I've been having panic attacks a little bit more lately. I'm refraining from saying I'm sorry, this is so negative. But like, let's be honest. Between me and you, I haven't had a good night. It's been very stressful today. I drove and went to my old apartment where I used to keep it clean and cute and organized, and almost cried when I saw like the building. This was like 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. Granted, it was a lot smaller, so there wasn't as much to clean. Oh, on a side note, I like watched the YouTube Streaming Awards and loved it. I was like screaming and crying from happiness. It was so cool. I guess those are the little moments that like gives you stress relief. Comment down below like what you do if you're an adult or a teenager. I guess it doesn't matter either way. To get like happiness amongst all the stress and responsibilities of life, adulthood, marriage, family, everything. What do you do to de-stress? There's like a meditation that I sometimes listen to, which does help. But sometimes it doesn't if your mind is too crowded. Also, I took out my lip ring from my colonoscopy and I couldn't get it back in, and I'm so sad. I've been like sitting there at night just like pushing it in, trying to get like the skin to pop, but it's too grown in. And I called the tattoo place that I got it done at, and they were like, sounds like it may be regrown. So you're gonna probably have to re-pierce it, but we can't re-pierce it for a month. So now I have to go without my lip ring. And I've had that for 3 years. And I'm really sad about it. I go to touch it all the time or like feel it with my tongue and it's gone. And it's so sad because I ordered like 16 different styles of lip jewelry. And it was delivered today and I was like, no. So sad. I feel like I'm edgy on the inside. I don't know how I'm edgy on the inside, but I feel like I am. And so the lip ring like makes me feel like my edgy self internally, like with just this. It makes me feel like, oh, I'm a nice girl. And I am a nice girl. I'm not saying I'm mean. I'm not saying a lip piercing makes me look mean. It just makes me look like, ooh, she got a little spunk about her. Yes, I do. That was me like joking that I had it there and was like pulling it over. Anyways, my hair. I always end up cutting my hair short. And I have been dyeing it black and I haven't dyed it in a while. I kind of am like liking this natural hair color look though. It just flops everywhere. Alright, let's see if we can eat this second one. Why did I buy 2 of these? It's too much. Is it still ice cream? Ugh. Oh my god. Got ice cream on my chin. My makeup turned out really good, you guys. Oh no, there's a cop. I'm getting scared now. Y'all, and I have tags expired and I don't have... Oh my god. Please don't pull me over. They're coming my way. Could you imagine if I was on like live PD or something? Oh God, he's pulling in. I'm about to get a ticket. Okay, I'm gonna go because I don't want to get a ticket right before Christmas. I have no money. I'm not going to court. So, hope you guys enjoyed this crazy, ridiculous video. Oh my God, he's like surrounding me just driving around. Alright, hope everybody have a good day. Love y'all. Wait, what did I say? Love y'all. I'm nervous. Bye. He's literally surrounding me. I don't know what to do, because if I like pull this down, I'm gonna look suspicious.